Hi, my name is Olivia Harris, and I will be singing When You Wish Upon a Star by Ashley Gearing. Thank you. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires can come to you. If your heart is in your dreams, no request is too extreme. When you wish upon a star, like dreamers do. Fate is kind. She brings to those who love the sweet fulfillment of their secret longing. Like a boat out of the blue, fate stands in, help seeks you through. When you wish upon a star, like dreamers do, they do come true. Thank you for watching.